welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make 2 snacks with just half cup of rice flour. Very easy, quick and instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a pan, add 1 cup of water. Then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of ajwain, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, a pinch of asafoetida, half teaspoon of chilli flakes, 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji, and a tablespoon of oil. Give it a quick mix and keep the flame in low. When the water starts to boil, add half cup of rice flour and mix well. When all the water is absorbed, off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Then transfer it to a mixing bowl. Knead for 2 minutes until you get a chapati dough consistency. Now we have the perfect consistency, so drizzle a teaspoon of oil and knead again. Split the dough into 2 portions. Make a smooth ball out of one. Place it in a rolling board and spread it into a thin sheet. Cut off the edges using a pizza cutter. Now make cuts this way. Make all the cuts and keep it ready. From the remaining dough, pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Likewise, make all the balls and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. Drop in the slices one by one. Fry in medium flame for 2 minutes until they turn nice and golden brown. Once they turn nice and crispy, remove. To the same oil, drop in the balls one by one. Fry in medium flame for 2 minutes until they turn nice and golden brown. Once they turn nice and crispy, remove. Now both our delicious crispy snack is ready. You can serve them right away with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and instant snack recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.